What time is it? Do you have the time? Task: listening. Listen to the conversation on the next slide. Hi, Lisa. How are you?
Hi, Jacob. I'm great. How are you?
I'm fine. Do you know what time it is?
Yes, it's 1:30.
Task: reading. Read the conversation on the next slide. Task: speaking. Let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Ready? Let's begin. 1 o'clock. It's 1 o'clock. 2 o'clock. It's 2 o'clock. 3 o'clock. It's 3 o'clock. 4 o'clock. It's 4 o'clock. 5 o'clock. It's 5 o'clock. A quarter after 1. It's a quarter after 1. A quarter after 2. It's a quarter after 2. A quarter after 3. It's a quarter after 3. A quarter after 4. It's a quarter after 4. Quarter after 5. It's a quarter after 5. Half past 1. It's half past 1. Half past 2. It's half past 2. Half past 3. It's half past 3. Half past 4. It's half past 4. Half past 5. It's half past 5. 1:45. It's 1:45. 2:45. It's 2:45. 3:45. It's 3:45. 4:45. It's 4:45. 5:45. It's 5:45. Task speaking. Let's practice telling the time. Are you ready? What time is it? It's 4:00. What time is it? It's 9:00. What time is it? It's 7:00. What time is it? It's 1:30. What time is it? It's 2:30. What time is it? It's 4:15. What time is it? It's 6:15. What time is it? It's 7:45. What time is it? It's 11:15. PT, practice test. Let's review. Are you ready? Let's begin. It's 10:30. It's 8:15. It's 3:30. It's 2:45. It's 12:30. Great! You finished. If you need more practice, review this class. If not, move on to the next class.